Hey guys, welcome to Tech Crew. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily connect a PS5 Dualsense controller to Windows. So this way you can easily emulate it. There's been a new program that makes it super easy to do, and it might be confusing because the name is actually DS4 Windows, so DualShock 4 Windows, but it does actually support Dualsense controllers. So today I'll show you guys how you can install it so you can get this working super quick and super easily. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to your preferred browser, and you just want to search for DS4 Windows. And then once you search for that, you should see a site, and basically there's a site and it'll show like all the different information about the application and how it works. From here, then if you click download now, it'll basically take you to the GitHub where the person who actually makes the app has the site. But here it might actually be a little confusing because if you see, this is actually the much older version, so you don't actually want to go here. And so if you search this on Google, you just want to make sure you go down here to the second one, and then you just want to click the GitHub link. So you might see the DS4 Windows site. You want to make sure you actually click the GitHub link, and then from here you just want to click download now. So the sites look the same, but they're both kind of different in a way, and one's older, I guess, and this is the one you want to go. So make sure you go for the second one. Now once you're here, you can see that this is the newest version available, released 8 days ago. So I'm just going to go ahead and install the version that I want to. So I'm just going to install the x64.zip file, and you can just go ahead and click that. It should just automatically show up and start installing. And now it's just going to scan for viruses. And then after that, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and you basically, once you're in this folder, just look for DS4 Windows, then it's an application file, just double click that, and it'll ask you to extract all of it or just run it. Make sure you just extract it before you actually run the application. So just select where you want to actually extract the file, and it's just going to start extracting for you. And then once it's done, it'll open up another folder, and here you can see here you have the application DS4 Windows. And originally it's going to start off by saying that this is like an application that's unrecognized, but you can just go ahead and choose to click run anyway. Then once you've done that, you'll have the application open up here, and right now it shows that there's no controllers. But if I actually go ahead and I get my controller, it would actually show that there's a controller plugged in. So if I actually do that and show you guys. So now as you guys can see, I plugged in my Dualsense controller, and it shows the Dualsense controller over here, and it shows how much battery it's at. And then you can choose a profile. I just use a default profile because that's the one that works best for me. It's a simple Xbox controller like configuration, but if you do want to tune that, you have the option to tune that. And then you have the option to edit these like profiles and stuff. And you can also choose a custom color for the light bar if you want to. So by going here, you can just choose your color depending on what you'd like. And you can also see that you can create more profiles and stuff like that. And you can also have up to 8 controllers. So if you have 8 USB slots on your PC or laptop or whatever, you do actually have the ability to use a lot of controllers. So that's basically it for how to download DS4 Windows and how to actually use this application with the Dualsense controller. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys have any questions on how to use this, just comment down below and I'll be happy to assist you guys. Or you can join our Discord server where you can also get help from us. And yeah, that's basically it for today's video. I hope you guys like this one. And yeah, that's it.